Hi everyone! Welcome back to Everwell Life. If you caught our last video, we talked about the 5 warning signs that you might be eating too much sugar, like constant cravings, energy crashes, and even mood swings. If you haven't seen it yet, don't worry. We will link it in the description below so you can check it out after this. But today, we're diving into something just as important and super exciting: the best natural alternatives to sugar. Because let's face it, we all love a little sweetness in our lives, but we don't want the downsides that come with refined sugar. So stick around as we share our top picks for natural sweeteners that are healthier, delicious, and easy to use in your everyday life. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why natural sugar alternatives are a better choice. Refined sugar is highly processed, spikes your blood sugar levels, and can lead to long-term health issues like diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. On the other hand, natural sweeteners often come with added benefits like vitamins, minerals, and a lower glycemic index, meaning they won't cause those crazy sugar crashes. Now, let's explore some of the best natural alternatives to sugar. I'll break down what they are, how to use them, and their unique benefits. Let's start with one of the most popular natural sweeteners, honey. Honey has been used for centuries, not just as a sweetener, but also for its medicinal properties. It's packed with antioxidants, has antibacterial properties, and can even soothe a sore throat. But not all honey is created equal. Raw, unprocessed honey is the best option because it retains all its natural nutrients. You can use honey in teas, smoothies, or even as a topping for yogurt and oatmeal. Just remember, honey is still high in calories, so moderation is key. Next up, we have maple syrup, another fantastic natural sweetener. But I'm not talking about the artificial pancake syrup you find in most grocery stores. Real maple syrup comes from the sap of maple trees and is rich in antioxidants, zinc, and manganese, which are great for your immune system and overall health. Maple syrup has a unique, rich flavor that works well in baking, on waffles, or even in salad dressings. Just make sure to look for 100% pure maple syrup on the label to avoid added sugars and preservatives. If you're looking for a zero-calorie option, stevia is a game-changer. Stevia is derived from the leaves of the stevia plant and is incredibly sweet, up to 200 times sweeter than sugar. But here's the best part. It doesn't raise your blood sugar levels, making it a great choice for diabetics or anyone watching their sugar intake. You can find stevia in liquid drops, powder, or even granulated form. It's perfect for sweetening beverages, baking, or adding to your morning coffee. Just be cautious with the amount. A little goes a long way. Now let's talk about dates. These sweet, chewy fruits are not only delicious, but also packed with fiber, potassium, and magnesium. Dates are a great natural sweetener for baking or making energy balls. You can even blend them into a paste and use it as a sugar substitute in recipes like cookies or cakes. Dates are also a great snack on their own when you're craving something sweet. They're nature's candy after all. Another excellent option is coconut sugar. Made from the sap of coconut palm trees, coconut sugar has a caramel-like flavor and a lower glycemic index compared to regular sugar. This means it won't spike your blood sugar levels as much. Coconut sugar is also rich in nutrients like iron, zinc, and calcium. You can use it as a one-to-one replacement for sugar in most recipes, making it an easy switch for baking or cooking. Last but not least, let's talk about monk fruit sweetener. Monk fruit is a small green fruit native to Southeast Asia, and its extract is incredibly sweet but contains 0 calories. Like stevia, it doesn't affect blood sugar levels, making it another great option for diabetics or those on a low-carb diet. Monk fruit sweetener is available in powder or liquid form and works well in beverages, desserts, and even savory dishes. It's a bit more expensive than other options, but it's worth it if you're looking for a high-quality natural sweetener. Now, if you're wondering, how do I actually start using these instead of sugar? Here are a few tips. Start small. Swap sugar for stevia or honey in your coffee. Use whole foods. Try blending dates into smoothies instead of adding sugar. Read labels. Sugar hides in processed foods under names like corn syrup, dextrose, and maltose. Experiment. Find what works for your taste preferences and lifestyle. You don't have to quit sugar overnight. Small swaps can make a big difference over time. So, there you have it. 6 of the best natural alternatives to sugar. Whether you choose honey, maple syrup, stevia, dates, coconut sugar, or monk fruit, each of these options offers a healthier way to satisfy your sweet tooth. Remember, the key is moderation. Even natural sweeteners should be used in balance as part of a healthy diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Everwell Life for more tips on living a healthier, happier life. Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite natural sugar alternative? And if you're serious about cutting sugar, make sure to watch my last video on the warning signs of too much sugar. It's linked right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and stay sweet, naturally.